Welcome, guys. So we're doing the traveling tea bag. Let's continue. Try to give us 10,000 subscribers on this video.
So,
Starting to the video.
this is a traveling tea bag. It's gonna float in the air.
We have a tea bag.
3, 2, 1.
This will work. Now. I did not expect that. Derek, I'll light it.
Why does that happen, Derek?
Because it's ash.
Because hot?
And hot and cold goes up and down.
Hot is up and cold
Goes down!
Derek, now I could like the